crafters, this is Amy. Welcome to Cricut Basic How-Tos. Today we are going to talk about the center point button, and that button is located right here. What that does is you can have an image cut based on the center of, say, this photograph. That's what I use it for. So I want to cut a circle out around this dragonfly, but I'm not sure, where I would even begin to put the cutting blade to get the circle to cut around. So what I do is that what you need to do is just find where you want the center of your photograph, wherever that happens to be, and you load your blade and get that to, okay, that's about the center of where I want my picture to be. Now I know this picture is 4 inches, so I don't want anything bigger than 4 inches. So let's go with a 3.5 inch circle. Okay, I have 3.5 here. I have George and Basic Shapes cartridge in here, and so I am going to, I'm going to pick this octagon shape here and press the center point button. So that is now on, so you can see the octagon in there, and press the cut button. Okay, I'm going to unload and pull this off, and there you go. I find this a very useful tool when you're scrapbooking, so you can cut out your pictures of people or whatever. So that is the center point button. Don't forget to see what the fuss is all about at sellhandmadeproducts.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.